Earlier today, we landed in Cedar Key, Florida. It has the shortest paved runway in Florida at 2,355 feet, and it is also the shortest runway AJ has ever landed our Aztec on. He did an excellent job.
And oh yeah,
we're slowing down and we still have runway. Woo! Yay, AJ!
This afternoon, we are headed to Brooksville for Florida snow tubing.
Cedar Key traffic, Aztec 2441 Mike is taxiing to the apron, taking the active runway. I'll be on there just for about 30 seconds. We'll be keeping an eye out for any radio transmissions for inbound traffic. Forward Mike.
That came out. Didn't get stuck. All right.
Cedar Key traffic, Aztec 2441 Mike is clear of the active runway. Aircraft inbound to Cedar Key. Are you going to be doing a pattern or are you coming straight in?
We're going to do a full cross midfield at 2,500 and then left downwind.
Understood. Aztec 2441 Mike is taking the active runway at the ramp. We're going to back taxi and depart runway 23. Cedar Key traffic. All right, get ready.
So we're going to turn around and then take off the other way.
Okay.
I love you.
Love you.
All right, we want every inch of this runway. All right, we are going to rotate at 65. We got flaps up, we got our trim set, we got our fuel correct, we got our flaps open. Cedar Key traffic, Aztec 2441 Mike is sitting at departure end, runway 23, departing now. We'll be leaving the area to the east. Cedar Key traffic. All right, the halfway part, we are committed for 30, 50, 60, we are halfway committed. Rotate, tap the brakes, gear coming up, climb straight out.
Excellent.
Cedar Key traffic, Aztec 2441 Mike just departed off of runway 23, climbing through 1,000, leaving the area to the east. Final transmission, Cedar Key. All right, they're looking at us at the restaurant right now.
Yep.
Right out Jack's window.
You did it, AJ.
We did it, and it wasn't even hard. So, for the record, know the performance of your aircraft.
You did. He spent a while yesterday making sure, and he did it great.
Know your capabilities, know how to operate your plane, and otherwise don't be afraid. That was fantastic. That was a lot of fun.
I loved
Cedar Key was awesome. The restaurant, Steamers, was awesome.
We went to Steamers. There was Dunkin's next to it, but we chose Steamers, and it was good. We ate outside. They had like 3 little balconies, and I'm sure I'll put it on there at some point, or the birds.
Yeah, the birds are awesome. That was fun.
And now this is a quick trip to Brooksville.
Yep, we're 25 minutes out already.
You're flying to Crystal River and then you're turning.
Yep, just to get over land more, just to make me feel better.
So did you use the entire runway? The nose was in my way. I couldn't see the...
No, we were off the ground. You know, it felt like right after I said midfield and committed,
right?
We were up. And so probably a takeoff roll of 1,000, exactly what it's supposed to be. Because we were off the ground before the helicopter pad. And so I'll have to look at the satellite picture to figure out exactly how long that took.
Well, hopefully my 360's back to working now, so we could review to see where it is.
When I measured it, remember the accelerate stop was 2,000 feet. Fully loaded was supposed to be 1,000 feet off the ground and 1,400 feet to a 50-foot obstacle. We were probably not, I didn't yank it up, so the 50-foot obstacle clearance, you know, that's only relevant if you aggressively climb. We gave it a minute, got the gear up, got configured, and then climbed.
Yeah.
But It was pretty much on the money. Looked like it was supposed to look.
It did good.
Okay, kids, so we start descending in 5 minutes.
Was.
That was a quick flight, yeah.
Look out your window. We're right over the nuclear plant. It looks awesome. Yeah.
Was that your hardest takeoff ever?
Oh, I thought it was going to be, but it wasn't.
He did good, didn't he?
I could hear him through the radio.
I was calling out the important numbers as I was paying attention. All right, this is Crystal River. So this is where we do our scalloping. This is where we do our tubing and manatees.
I enjoy Crystal River a lot.
Me too.
It's another small fishing village. Not big fancy hotels or anything like that, but they've got some good restaurants, and they've got a really cool activity or two.
Maybe when we come back to do scalloping, we'll go to Cedar Key and stay a night at Cedar Key before we go scalloping. You want to do that?
They had some cute little...
There were some awesome Airbnbs there.
Airbnbs in there, yeah.
That's a very cool place to go.
No, I enjoyed it a lot. I mean, I could have spent a lot longer there. I enjoyed biking. It was a beautiful day for it.
Yes, it was.
Yeah.
You guys are so positive. It's so nice to hear.
Positivity.
Oh, that's Crystal River Airport?
Yep, that's Crystal River. That's where we landed. Remember when we had a turtle on the runway?
Oh, yeah.
That was the airport where we had the turtle on the runway. Do you see the plane taxiing and taking off? We've been looking at that fire all day long.
It looked so much smaller when we were up at 10,000 feet.
Yeah, well.
Ooh, you could smell the fire.
No, that's the engine.
Your jokes are not funny.
Brooksville Tower, Aztec 2441 Mike is 11 miles to the north at 2,500 inbound for full stop landing.
Number 2441 Mike, Brooksville, you say your type is an Aztec?
PA-27 Aztec.
November 2441 Mike, the wind is 280 at 11, altimeter 299er. Continue inbound from the north and report turning a midfield right downwind to runway 27.
We'll report midfield right downwind, runway 27, fallen Mike. Ooh.
A little bit bumpy.
Aztec 2441 Mike, turning at midfield onto right downwind, runway 27.
Mike, roger, continue on the right downwind. You're going to be following traffic from the east. You'll be ahead to your right. It's a Chancellor. I'll keep you advised.
We'll be looking for traffic and listening for advisories, 41 Mike.
And Aztec 2441 Mike, the traffic you're following up ahead and to your right, just about to be straight in final, about 2 out.
We have him there. We have traffic in sight, 41 Mike.
Follow the Chancellor, you're number 2, runway 27, and you're cleared to land, the wind 290-12.
Follow the Chancellor, number 2 for landing, cleared for landing, runway 27, 41 Mike. It was softer over at the other one.
I know, but you still landed. Very one piece. Good job.
Brookville ground, Aztec 2441 Mike, just off at Alpha 4, going to American.
Aztec 2441 Mike, Brooksville ground, taxi Alpha and Alpha 1 to American.
Alpha 1 to American, 41 Mike.
What's the temperature?
65.
It's 65 degrees and we're fixing to go snow tubing.
Oh yeah, going tubing.
We've landed here before, right?
Yeah.
We have...
Tubing. Yeah, I can see like the egg things.
You remember the egg things?
Yeah.
Those are hangers.
Yeah, I know. They're hangers?
That's
They're
interesting.
sweet hangers, right?
They look like giant roly-polies.
That is.
They are giant roly-polies.
I've had a nice day. Thanks.
Yeah, same.
It's not over yet. We've got more adventures.
We're only halfway done with our adventure.
Halfway there. Living on a prayer.
I missed the
I was not expecting that. Those are the colors that our plane used to be.
Orange.
Yep.
I like the green.
Our plane looked like that.
I like the green here.
What's up, Aztec, bro?
You know why I'm gonna beat you at tubing? Because I got more weight and more crazy. Are you ready? You ready? Shelby?
Are we gonna go?
You ready? Looks like they release us. Woo! Look at the mountains behind you. So beautiful. All right, here we go!
It's just like dropped out.
Oh, my butt!
Hey, I got money on him.
He's
Got money on him.
he's good. Cheaters! Yeah.
Hey, bro, you got money on him? I got money on this one right here.
Go! Oh, we're neck and neck! Go, 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 they're winning! Here it goes, it's gonna hurt!
It's fine.
Yeah, it is. Go, Kelly, go! Yes! Go, 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 go! No! No! Again! Hey.
I'm having fun.
Me too. Go, Shelby, lean, lean, lean! Go! Go, 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 go! Go!
3 more, you go faster.
Okay, the last one. Woohoo! Yeah! Woohoo! Oh, yeah!
That was amazing!
Thank you very much. All right.
High five for a good day.
High five, good day.
Everyone high five a team.
High five for a good day.
Kiss him.
That was great.